Welcome to Career Campus Pro YouTube channel. My name is Kiran Baburaj. In this video, we will delve into SQL Data Types. It is the fundamental building blocks that determines how your database stores and manages information. Let's start with the numerical data types, the backbone of quantitative data storage. Integer handles your standard whole numbers, perfect for IDs, counts, and any whole number data. For financial data, always use numeric types, which store exact decimal values critical when every penny counts. And real types handles approximate decimal values with up to 6 digits of precision. Use begin if we need to store massive numbers. And serial types automatically increments with each new row, perfect for primary keys that need to be unique. Moving on to the string data types for storing the text and character data. Char fields store fixed length strings and pad them with spaces if necessary. The varchar is more flexible, storing variable length strings up to a specific limit. We can use the text type for storing unlimited length strings. For binary data like images or files, Bytea is a good solution. And UUID types generate globally unique identifiers, essential for distributed systems where uniqueness is critical. Handling the dates and time properly is crucial for any business application. Date types store just the calendar date without the time information. Time types handles clock times with optional time zone information. Timestamp combines both date and time in one field for measuring duration. Interval types tracks periods like 2 hours or 3 days. And use timestamp Z with timestamp with time zone to avoid the nightmare of time zone conversion issues later on. Let's see the practical example. This code creates an employee table with carefully selected data types for each column. Here we use serial for auto-incrementing ID, varchar with a reasonable length limit for names, numeric with precision for salary values. Higher date uses timestamp TZ to properly handle global time zone differences, and department uses text since department names can vary in length and we don't need to limit them. Beyond the basic types, SQL also offers specialized data types for specific needs. Boolean types to store simple true or false values. For storing structured JSON data, JSON-B provides both storage efficient indexing capabilities. And working with maps or location data, geometry types through extensions like PostGIS handle spatial information. And if we need to store collections, array types can hold multiple values of the same type in a single field. And for fields with fixed set of possible values, custom enum types ensure data integrity. Here are some of the best practices for working with SQL data types. Always choose the most appropriate size to balance between current needs and future growth. For financial calculations, decimal types are non-negotiable. Floating point errors can be costly in business. And considering the storage requirements, especially for large data sets, match your data type to your actual requirements. Don't use text for a 2-character state code. And always plan for future growth. The data that fits in a small field today might not be tomorrow. Thank you for watching. For more deep dives on coding and SQL, hit the subscribe button.